Hello everyone, this is Padma. Today I am going to explain about squares and rectangles from the chapter Parameter and Area from class 7. So let's see some basic formulas. So here parameter of a regular polygon equal to number of sides into length of one side, and parameter of a square equal to 4 into side, and parameter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B, and the area of rectangle equal to L into B, and the area of square equal to side into side or side square. So here let us see some examples. So here Tanya needed a square of side 4 centimeters for completing a college. So she had a rectangular sheet of length 28 centimeters and breadth 21 centimeters. So if you see the first figure, you can see the rectangle. So it has the length 28 centimeters and breadth 21 centimeters, and she cuts off a square of side 4 centimeters from the rectangular sheet. So like that in the second figure, she cuts off the 4 centimeters from the rectangular sheet. So her friend saw the remaining sheet and asked Tanya, has the parameter of the sheet increased or decreased now? So she asked, so she cut the square now, so it has the length is increased. So she asked Tanya, has the parameter of the sheet increased or decreased? Has the total length of the side AD increased after cutting of the square? Has the area increased or decreased? So all these questions we can know further. And Tanya cuts off one more square from the opposite side. So let us see in this figure here, like this, she cuts the another 4 centimeter square. Will the parameter of the remaining sheet increases further? So again she asked, will the parameter of the remaining sheet increases further? Will the area increases or decreases further? So it is clear that the increase of parameter need not lead to increase in area. It means there is no idea like if the parameter increase, so it need not to increase in area. So let us see another example. So here a door frame of dimensions 3 by 2 meters is fixed on the wall of dimension 10 by 10 meters. So here there is a wall, it like a square wall. So of the square wall there is a rectangular door of sides 3 by 2, and here find the total labor charges for painting the wall. So here they have to paint the wall, so we have to find the total charges for painting. For painting 1 meter square of the wall is 2.50. So here for painting 1 meter square area, so it cost is 2.50. So now we have to find out the total cost of the total area of the wall. So here the solution has to be, painting of the wall has to be done excluding the area of door. So here we don't have to paint the door, only the wall. So we have to paint the wall excluding the door part. So here first, if you want to find the area of that part, so first we have to find the area of door, and after that we have to find the area of the wall. Then we can subtract from the total area of the wall to the door area. So here first let's find the area of door. So what is this? Rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? L into B. So we know the dimensions of a door 3 by 2. So here 3 into 2. So here 6 meter square. So next find out the area of wall. So area of wall including door is what is a square? So side into side equal to 10 into 10. Here is a 100 meter square. So now we have to find the area of wall excluding door equal to 100 minus 6 equal to 94 meter square. So the total labor charges equal to, here we know that they gave per 1 meter square the charges are 2.50. So here we get 94 meter square. So how much we get? 2.50 into 94 equal to 235 rupees. So another example is, the area of rectangular sheet is 500 centimeter square. If the length of the sheet is 25 centimeters, what is the width? Also find the parameter of a rectangular sheet. So here they gave area of rectangular sheet is 500 centimeters square and the length is 25 centimeters. So we have to find the width. So here we know the area of the rectangle L into B. So let us B as a width, and therefore here we know the area. So here we have to find out B equal to area by L equal to 500 by 25. So here the width is 20 centimeters. So now parameter of the sheet. So parameter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So here 2 into 25 plus 20 equal to 90 centimeters. So the width of the rectangular sheet is 20 centimeters and its parameter is 90 centimeters. So the another example is, so here Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house on 3 sides with lengths 20 meters, 12 meters and 12 meters. Here if you see in this picture, there is a girl Anu and there is a garden in front of her house. So she wants to fence that garden. So find the cost of fencing at the rate of 150 per meter. So here like that, if she want to fence for 1 meter, it is cost 150 meter. So here the length of the fence required is the parameter of the garden. So first we have to find the parameter of the garden. So here we know the lengths of the garden 20, 12 and 12. So the parameter has to be 20 plus 12 plus 12. So we will get 44 meters. So the cost of fencing equal to, so you know, for 1 meter it will get the cost of 150 rupees. So for 44 meters, so then how much? So 150 into 44. Here we will get 6600 rupees. And the another example is, a wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeters. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeters, find its breadth. Which encloses more area, the square or the rectangle? So here they gave one wire. So it is in the shape of square of sides 10 centimeters. So and they bent the wire and it became to rectangle. So it means the length of the wire is same, but they bent the wire. Then the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters. So first we have to find the breadth of a rectangle, and that in this, so here we have to find which encloses more area. It means which has more area, square or rectangle. So here we know that a square side of a square equal to 10 centimeters and the length of the wire equal to perimeter of the square. So 4 into side equal to 4 into 10 equal to 40 centimeters, and after that length of a rectangle equal to L equal to 12 centimeters. So let B be the breadth of a rectangle, and after that parameter of a rectangle. So we know that the parameter of a rectangle is same as the parameter of the square. It means length of the wire equal to 40 centimeters and parameter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. So we have to satisfy this solution. So 40 equal to 2 into 12 plus B. So we have to find out the B equal to 40 by 2 equal to 12 plus B equal to, therefore B equal to 8 centimeters. So we know that the breadth of a rectangle is 8 centimeters. So here the area of square equal to side square, it is 10 into 10 equal to 100 centimeters square, and the area of rectangle is L into B equal to 12 into 8 equal to 96 centimeters. Here the area of the square is more than area of rectangle. So the square encloses more area even though its parameter is the same as that of the rectangle. So even though their parameters are same, but the square encloses more area. Thank you.